Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be using the new Chic Fall sticker book, which releases today at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'll have it linked down in the description with my affiliate link, and also I have a discount code if you're interested in purchasing. But it does release today, and it's just a good fall sticker book. It has a mixture of different stickers in here, from just regular seasonal fall stickers to Halloween stickers, lots of pumpkins, and just really pretty fall color schemes. So I'm going to use this book to decorate these pages. I really love, let's see, there's like a neutrally page, this page right here. Like, love these. These are super pretty. So I'm going to use this and this together. Yeah, these two. So pretty. Actually, let me pull these out if I can. Okay. You know what? Maybe I can't. It's not really coming out. Okay. So they are perforated. It's kind of hard to pull them out sometimes. All right. So I'm just going to use these to decorate this page. And then there are boxes in here. Like, those are pretty. But maybe I'll just use black boxes. Keep it like super neutral. I really like this corner. So I'm just going to start with this corner over here. Okay. And then let's see where I can put this one. I wonder if off to this side. This one's a little different. Don't know. I feel like that's too much. Maybe going down this way. And then let me grab a box. Okay, so I have some of Jojo's books because I just wanted some access to easy boxes. And I do like the black. Okay, there are also quotes in here. I want to see if these quotes could work. I'm just trying to find something to fit here, but I think these are all too tall. Okay, I'm gonna move on from that. We'll come back to that. Maybe I will mix in some of these. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this one with the books. So pretty. Stick that there. Ooh. I tried taking that page out and I ripped it, so yeah. Wasn't a smart idea. Okay, I'm gonna put this candle there because I think that looks good there. Okay, like, I just love all the cozy vibes. All right, let me grab a double box from here. That way I could put something on top of here. Ooh, I kind of like, oh, that's cute. Maybe just a book. Okay, let me see what types of boxes I have in here. Ooh, okay, let's see how this looks. another one of these. I'm gonna flip it this way so it's not like exactly the same as that one. A little different. Over here. Grab another black box. Just a really pretty color scheme. Different too. That's nice. Ooh, more flowers. Kind of just sprinkle some of these around the page. Ooh, and then there's these pretty leaves. Okay, back to the decorative stickers. Let's see, I want something over here. Maybe this. Just cutting out the bottom. Just a little bit. Oops. Oops. Oh, there's these like little, these are like star anise, right? My mom would use these. These are cute. For like little decor. This one's already cut. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. I'm gonna go back to the functional stuff because there are checklists, ooh, and headers. So I'm just gonna grab some checklists, kind of sprinkle those around the page a little bit. Put one over here. And then, like I said, there are some of these headers. I always like when there's like a little bit of everything in the books. It's helpful. You can also layer it right on top. Kind of stack them like that. Okay, there's also bullet points. I might come back to pull those, but I think, okay, let me grab some more black boxes. Sorry, it's easy for me to do this off camera. Just flip through these stickers. Okay, I'm gonna stick one of these small ones. Little to do. Okay, I'm gonna get some more flowers from this page. Ooh, that one's really pretty. Also need some leaves and stuff too. Okay, so I think I might stick this one. I'm just gonna plop it here. Oh, I need to grab some washi too. Washi is much needed. Another flower. I'm just gonna stick that there. Oops. I want to maybe stick another leaf. gonna do another flower too, maybe in this corner. Okay. Going with it. Cool. All right, let's see if I can get something else like decorative wise over here. I mean, it's kind of full, but I've been liking the full spreads recently. Like this little cup of tea is pretty. So I'm just gonna stick it over here. And what else? I already got a candle. I feel like these are too big, so I'm thinking of something over here. This one's cute. It's not too big. But I feel like I need, no, actually I don't care for that one there. Maybe I could stick more of these little stars. They're cute. Let's see, where can I stick it? Where can I stick it? Okay, it's filling up nicely. I like it. Cute. Okay. Maybe another box. Oh, washi too. I need washi. I feel like another box is too busy. Maybe bullet points. And then, actually, let me do washi first. I'm just gonna go find a neutral kind of washi for this spread. Okay, my washi choices are a little slim. I was thinking of these little hearts. I really like these hearts. I just don't like that it has like a iridescent-y shimmer to it, but it's not super terrible. I need to find a washi like this without the shimmer. But I figure hearts are good because I love fall. I'm super excited for fall, so I'm all about the hearts to celebrate fall coming back into our lives, because it's my favorite. Yeah. This one's from Simply Gilded, this washi. I got it years ago. So hopefully she still has washi like this. I actually haven't purchased from her in a bit, so from Simply Gilded, so I need to look back and see what they got. Okay, I like that little touch of washi. It brings in some of the black, which I like, and it brings in some cute little hearts. Okay, cool, that works. I also had this other washi. This one actually is from Love Posh. I wasn't sure if this is too much though. I kind of want to add it, just again, just to add some black to the spread. So I'm not gonna do too much. I feel a little of this goes a long way, so that's kind of what I'm going with. And I'm just randomly placing it too, because why not? Just to fill in some of these spots. Okay, I'm not sure if that looks odd, but going with it. I could actually stick something here now because I put like, maybe, we shall see. I could do a candle. Let me see. Either the candle, oops, this page became a like washi graveyard. Okay, just gonna stick it there to kind of not make that edge so obvious that I did that. I think that kind of helps. And then I am going to go back in here and pull some of these bullet points from this book. Do some bullet points. I really like these bullet points because they're a really good size. So just gonna stick a couple. I like sticking them on the line because like you could either choose to use it here or here. I plan on giving this spread away to one of my patrons, so. But yeah. Again, you can use it here, you can use it here. Let's stick 2 here. And okay, pretty. Love all the fall colors. So pretty, very neutral, love it. All right, so that's gonna be it for this video. That is gonna be Chic Fall. Love that. Definitely check out my flip through. There's a bunch of Plan With Me's going around with other affiliates that already received this book. They can check out too, see how they've been using these stickers. Lots of great themes in here. So yeah, loving this. Definitely gonna be pulling this out during fall to use, so you'll be seeing it in some future spreads. Oh, one other thing I wanted to do is, if you're not sure about the holes, because I did get a question about that, I'm going to use this We Are Memory Keepers punch to punch these holes in the back because they covered them up before I forget. And this thing is super easy. You just stick the hole that doesn't have anything covered in here, and then I like to push it down all the way because that's the one thing about this, it's not perfect, but once you get the hang of it, you know how to use it. So I'm just going to go along punching through these holes again. Okay, now I got holes. Super easy. This thing punches through so much. It's way better than the Happy Planner punch. This thing will punch through like laminated thick stuff, so it's a good punch. I'll have it linked down in the description. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Sorry, somebody had asked me to show how to use the punch. But that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.